Imagine a world where a quarter of the population is silently battling a hidden enemy within their bodies. Metabolic dysfunction-associated steatotic liver disease, or MASLD, is a widespread health issue affecting millions globally. When MASLD progresses to metabolic dysfunction-associated steatohepatitis, or MASH, it can lead to life-threatening cirrhosis. Obesity, unhealthy diets, and physical inactivity are common contributors, leading to fat accumulation in the liver. This fat buildup triggers inflammation and scarring, disrupting key cellular processes and causing oxidative stress. A critical factor in this disease is the depletion of NAD+, essential for energy production, DNA repair, and inflammation control. Recent research has highlighted the potential of targeting the enzyme ACMSD to boost NAD+ levels. Inhibition of ACMSD enhances NAD+ production, showing promising effects in preclinical studies. Mice treated with an ACMSD inhibitor showed reduced liver inflammation, lower DNA damage markers, and reversal of fibrosis. This groundbreaking approach offers hope for new treatments that address the root causes of MASLD and MASH, potentially transforming liver disease management.